Well, everybody, it's here. I am pumped. Pardon my voice, it's still recovering, but it came today, and I am stoked. I know there's some controversy. Some people say this is great. Some people are saying they're having problems, head end leaks, blah, blah, blah. I understand, and I'm not trying to make light of any of those issues. I just want to take this thing out and start printing with it. Now, before I do that, I just want to show off my um, Anycubic Kobra 3 that I got with the Ace combo unit, so I could do the multiple colors. And I printed out the side shoot there. So this has been working really well. I haven't had any trouble at all. Biggest thing I would say, make sure the ends are cut at a 45-degree angle before you try loading this. Make your life a lot easier. If you have had the tiniest bit of a ripple or tiniest bit of a bend in there, it's going to be hard to feed that in there. It's just designed for a completely straight piece. So just keep that in mind whenever you load it. Make sure the filament's very good at the end. Nice thing is it does have the automatic dryer. The only bad thing is it doesn't have an automatic venting system. So I actually have a development kit that I purchased, and I have Arduinos and that kind of thing. And I want to create a servo opening mechanism that'll open this up for 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds every however many interval minutes you want to do it. So stay tuned for that. I'll have a video on that when I get that one going.